In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Zendrop subscription from Shopify. First, head to the Shopify website and sign in to your admin dashboard. Make sure you use the account that has the permissions to manage apps and sales channels, because only an admin or an account with app management rights can remove installed apps. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct store if you manage more than one, so you don't accidentally make changes in the wrong place. Once you're logged in and looking at your admin dashboard, move your attention to the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you see Settings. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page with a number of store configuration options. From here, select Apps and Sales Channels. This area lists all the apps currently installed on your store and any channels connected to it. On the Apps and Sales Channels screen, scan the list to find Zendrop, Dropshipping, and Pod, depending on how many apps you have installed. You might need to scroll or use a search box to locate it faster. Click on the Zendrop entry to open the app details. This will bring up the app's configuration and management options inside Shopify. When you're viewing the Zendrop app entry, look for the three dots icon next to the app name. This is the menu that contains additional actions for managing the app. Click those three dots to reveal the available options and choose Uninstall. Selecting Uninstall initiates the removal process from your Shopify store. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to remove the app. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again. This final confirmation completes the removal from Shopify, and the app will no longer be listed under your installed apps. After uninstalling, give the dashboard a moment to refresh, and check that Zendrop has been removed from the Apps and Sales Channels page. A couple of helpful tips. If Zendrop billed you through Shopify, uninstalling typically stops future charges processed through Shopify. But it's a good idea to review your billing history afterward to ensure there are no lingering charges. If you have data or import settings in Zendrop you want to keep, consider exporting any necessary information before uninstalling, because removing the app may delete app-specific data stored within your store. That's it. You've successfully canceled and uninstalled the Zendrop subscription from your Shopify store.